Hi, everybody. This is Mark from Mx3 with your Mx3 Crypto News Update. First, we're going to start off talking about Bitcoin and the ETF. 8 months after establishing the first US Bitcoin futures ETF, ProShares launched the first short Bitcoin linked ETF on Tuesday, June 21st. In the US, the provider of investment products announced Monday, June 20th. The ProShares short Bitcoin strategy, which will trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BITI, is designed to give investors a way to profit from declines in the price of the cryptocurrency. It will have an expense ratio of 0.95%. As recent times have shown, Bitcoin can drop in value. ProShares CEO Michael Sapir said in a news release this past Monday. BITI affords investors who believe that the price of Bitcoin will drop with an opportunity to potentially profit or to hedge their cryptocurrency holdings. BITI enables investors to conveniently obtain short exposure to Bitcoin through buying an ETF in a traditional brokerage account. ProShares said BITI is designed to deliver the opposite of the performance of the S&P CME Bitcoin Futures Index, and that it seeks to obtain exposure through Bitcoin futures contracts. On Monday, June 20th, Bitcoin set about 70% from its all-time high, which it hit in early November, just a couple of weeks after ProShares launched the Bitcoin Strategy ETF, or BITO. Bitcoin quickly reversed lower and has been falling since then. We're going to shift a little bit, but we're still going to be talking about Bitcoin and converting savings to hard assets, which appear to be gaining at a similar, if not faster, rate than inflation, appears to be the only method to preserve purchasing power in 2022. In this high inflationary environment, tangible assets such as land, property, commodities are acting as safe havens. First and foremost, Bitcoin is a commodity and a hard asset. It's difficult to mine or obtain, and there is a limited supply. Its price, like that of other physical assets, is determined by the dynamics of supply and demand. As a result, it's an excellent asset for storing value and protecting it from currency devaluation. As corporations continue to add Bitcoin exposure to their portfolios, demand for Bitcoin may push the price substantially higher to match fiat inflation, and possibly even higher given the hard cap on Bitcoin supply. Bitcoin may become polarized as well. The difference is that the polarization phase is still in its early stages. So most individuals, households, and small businesses have a fair chance of purchasing this commodity before the institutions. Bitcoin is gaining traction as a currency that can help individuals deal with the problems that fiat currencies and traditional financial systems have. Now, it's important to remember that Bitcoin remains highly correlated with equities. And if that correlation breaks in the next 2 quarters, it'll be a sign that Bitcoin is evolving into a store of value rather than merely a transactional currency. Next story we're going to cover is going to switch a little bit and talk a little bit about Coinbase. Because Coinbase shares fall after rival Binance.us dropped spot Bitcoin trading fees. Coinbase shares fell almost 10% on Wednesday after rival crypto exchange Binance.us said it's dropping certain trading fees for customers. Binance.us said it will allow users to make spot Bitcoin trades for the US dollar and stablecoins Tether, USD Coin, and Binance USD without paying spot trading fees. The move by Binance.us comes amid an extended bearish period for cryptocurrencies. As everyone knows, we're in a bear market right now, which has been part of the broader sell-off in risk assets that's been taking place all year. Last weekend, Bitcoin hit a new 2022 low, falling below the $18,000 level for the first time since December 2020. Coinbase historically has relied heavily on trading volumes for revenue, but in recent months has been looking to diversify its revenue streams. It's currently testing a subscription service for customers called Coinbase One that would give them access to zero fee trading for up to $10,000 in transactions a month. The zero fee trading phenomenon, first introduced by Robinhood, began putting a dent in the retail investing world a few years ago, when major stock brokerages shifted to commission-free online trading. That's about all the stories that we have right now. So be sure to like and subscribe to catch the next Mx3 Crypto Report. Again, my name is Mark, and I hope to see you soon.